What is up, guys? This is Nate with Mud Digger Off-Road, and for you YXZ and side-by-side guys, this is probably one of the first times you're seeing my face, since we are very well deeply rooted into the truck and SUV side of the market. But one great thing that we are really excited to bring to you guys here is the fan vented radiator cover for the 19 to 25 Yamaha YXZs. We've already released and had phenomenal support from the aftermarket world on our vented cover, but now we are taking it one step farther. We're still going to offer the vented cover, but we are taking it one step further and doing a 2200 CFM vented fan powered radiator cover that offers all of the same great benefits that you're getting with the vented radiator cover when you're running that fan reversal. Really just kind of lopping those engine temps down by 20 to 30 degrees in most cases. And you're keeping that same great engine performance while keeping the cab cool, which has been a really, really tough thing for the aftermarket to keep up with. So we are just now releasing our proven tested numbers on what you can expect for cab and engine temps on a 100% stock YXZ. Our test unit does have 32s on it, but in any case, that should only increase engine temps, and the temps that we're able to provide you guys are extremely impressive. So I've got the testing temp sheet in a spreadsheet nicely laid out. I'm going to link that to the video right here. So if you guys want to screenshot and check that out. If not, we've got every single one of our 12 different configurations of tests run in the video following this. Every single test is a wide open throttle, 0 to 65 miles an hour. And once we hit 65 miles an hour, we start a 1 minute timer. At the end of that 1 minute timer, that is the temperature that we record. What that does is it allows the fans to do a full cycle, so we can specifically narrow it down to the effectiveness of our vented cover and our fan vented cover. So hang tight and check it out, guys.